Today, as I have told you, I have submitted my resignation to the primary membership of the Congress party. From last so many years, I tried my level best to convince the leadership in Delhi, but unfortunately, the response was very nil. Through the general secretaries, all are incapable people. What Ghulam Nabi Azad and Shashi Tharoor have told, I was telling this from last 2 years. Now, UP, Punjab, they have seen the result. I don't want Karnataka should become another UP. So that's why we are taking a decision. We are coming out and we are building a strong force under the Gandhian and Jayaprakash Narayan's philosophy.
So were you waiting for the central five elections to results to come out and then you want to...
Not necessary. I have told it earlier. Before 1 year itself, I have started this telling. Now after this election result, now further I can't wait. Because here the things will go wrong. So that's why I have taken it, because people are waiting for my call. All they are waiting, sir, you take the decision, we will tell. Now
so
here people will start.
Were you unhappy that you were not made the leader of opposition or the Muslim?
No. It is the whole injustice has been done to such a big community. That is the reason.
What next, sir? What next, sir?
Next we will see. There is a...
So when are you joining officially the JDS?
No, we are not. We are discussing this today with
So what about other
Devagowda
how
ji.
many people are planning to join you also?
I don't want to tell the number now. There are many people.
Sir, recently Roshan also has been meeting many
That
people.
you ask him.
Okay.